Galaxy AI has been making waves among Samsung users, but does it really deliver on its promises? Today, we're diving into what this AI tool offers and whether it's worth your time and attention. Galaxy AI is designed to enhance the user experience on Samsung devices by leveraging artificial intelligence for various tasks. It aims to streamline everyday activities like photo organization, voice commands, and even optimizing device performance. One of the standout features is its ability to intelligently sort and categorize photos, making it easier for users to find their memories without sifting through countless images. However, the user interface can feel a bit cluttered at times, especially for those who aren't tech savvy. While the AI promises to adapt to your habits, the learning curve may frustrate some users who expect immediate results. Additionally, it's tailored specifically for Samsung devices, which means if you're using another brand, you'll miss out on these features entirely. Overall, while the concept is solid, some aspects of the experience feel a bit rushed and could use more polish. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Galaxy AI's photo management and performance optimization features are genuinely useful for Samsung users. It can save time and make everyday tasks easier. However, the app does have its drawbacks. The interface can be overwhelming, and the AI's learning curve might not suit everyone, especially those looking for a quick and easy solution. Additionally, there are concerns about privacy and how data is being used. Users may feel uneasy about the amount of personal information the AI accesses. If you're not a Samsung user, you're out of luck as its functionality is limited to their devices. Overall, it's a mixed bag that could work well for some, but leave others wanting more. In conclusion, Galaxy AI offers some impressive features for Samsung users, but it's not without its flaws. If you're deeply integrated into the Samsung ecosystem, it's worth exploring. However, if you're looking for a seamless, user-friendly experience, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, approach with cautious optimism.